In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a 1080p projector screen for home theater equipment. This is from the company Crumisy, I think is how you would say that. And you can see right here, it has screen mirroring, Wi-Fi connection, native 1920 by 1080p, which is, you know, a high def one, surround sound built into this thing, and it's the model F410. And looking over the sides right here, related voltage, and the power wattage is 86 watts, which I have a 1000 watt power inverter from All Like, and I'm going to use that to run this thing because I'm outside. And check out where I have my screen set up. So this is a 84-inch projector screen set up on a privacy fence here, and I'm just going to run this thing off the table and then go right through there. I will try to use a DVD, plug-in DVD player with this thing and see if that works. But I don't know if I can get that to work. If nothing else, I can screen mirror my phone and show you using that. So I did have this thing out and looked over it. You get a little remote with it. You will have to supply your own batteries. I had to round up some batteries for mine. So you get a little remote. And then very nicely packaged, actually. I've already used this, but I used it in my house on my wall. I had to order me a screen. And I recommend this screen right here. I think it's, I can't remember the name of it, but it's like, starts with a T. And check this out. So there's a few things with this. You can see the unit itself. You have the adjustment right here. You got a cap, you got to take that cap off. This adjustment kind of just adjusts like the focus of the screen. I wish, if I had one thing I wish it was battery powered. But you know what? This is just fine. And then this little thing right here is, it looks like it's a 1/4-20, and you could see how it lifts it up like that. So it's going to elevate it up. We're definitely going to need that. Then the cord just plugs in right here like that. It's a basic cord in the back. And this is a USB, no, this is a HDMI cable. You get a little composite cable. I think that's for hooking up speakers and all that. A little thank you card. A little cleaning device. So these cleaning pads will go for cleaning off that. I don't have to clean it because it's pretty much brand new. So I haven't used it. I'll tell you what, let me go ahead and grab my power bank and let's go ahead. I'll put the power bank down here and we'll fire this thing up. I doubt we're dark enough right now to get this thing going, but you know what? I'll clean all this up, get it plugged in, get a DVD player, and I think we'll be good to go. Okay, now everybody, I just went ahead and hooked it up through my cell phone. You can see I have it playing right here. See, check it out. That's playing on my cell phone. I've got it ran through an HDMI cable right there. Now, the quality isn't going to be as high when you're running it through your cell phone, but you can see right here, this is good enough to watch as a full movie. So I've pulled up, this is actually just on YouTube, and I'm sitting there watching it through the phone right there. I can turn the phone off, but I'm just showing y'all how I got it ran in right there, and then it's playing through AirPlay, and that looks great. So I tested it out using the phone. It looks just fine. Now let's try to hook up the DVD player and see if the DVD player will play. I have the Spider-Man movie here. We're gonna have a DVD player right there, and I'm gonna run it through the HDMI, and we'll set it up and we'll let it play. Because I don't like running this through my phone. I don't think the quality is as good as running through a DVD player, but you know what? That doesn't look too bad considering what it is. Let me back up a little bit and see it. I guess the quality is getting a little better now that it's playing some. It's almost like it's buffering and getting a little cleaner. So yeah, let's hook the DVD player up now. You can see how I have it ran right into the HDMI right here. I have Spider-Man playing. You can see I put a little small table right here and I'm about 6 foot away. Look how clear this is. You can see where my hand is right here. The picture is very clear. This is playing in full 1080p. Backing up, look at that. It really does look like a 84-inch TV. This is something I'll probably run in my house. I have it outside right now and I have it right here. The one thing is the speaker's not that loud. I would probably hook an external speaker to it. I see why they have that out, but I might get a little small speaker and hook to it later. The adjustment is right here on the front. Watch when I don't know if you can see it. Watch when I turn that. See how it gets a little more fuzzy and a little more clear. And then you have the remote right here, and then the remote has a few features. You can go down, let me hit it, make sure I hit the right one here. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have to kind of be from the front. You have When I hit that, you can see I got different, see how there's a setup? You're gonna go down through here, go all the way down to projection settings, and that's where you're gonna zoom in. See, I can kind of zoom out. You can do corner corrections right there. Let's get out of that. There's a back button right there. And then once you get it all set up, this thing looks awesome. Right now, this is how I'm gonna run it. I'm just gonna run it using a DVD player like this, and I am completely outside. And look, right here is the power bank. You can see this is the all-like 1,000 watt power bank. I'm using 120 watts for the projector and the DVD, which is very low wattage because I actually have a little small 300 watt power bank that I think I could run this right here on that. Let me back up. I'm gonna get about 30 feet away. Check that out. That is like a 100-inch TV going on right there, everybody. Let's turn the lights on over here. Everybody, I've been really impressed with this little projector right here. See, you can see how I have it set up right here. Just the HDMI ran into the DVD player right there. Spider-Man's running, power bank under there, and all of that set up, all the adjustments and everything. And you can see, check it out when I turn the lights out on this thing. Boom, look at that. Does that not look awesome? Everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that's just kind of wanting a good, kind of like all-around projector for whether it's home, camping, or even like me, lounging around in the backyard. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Crumisy 1080p projector, Wi-Fi. See you on the next video.